Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Monet. Today, as you guys can see, we're obviously going to be transforming into something because we're looking busted right now. Before we even get started, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that bell down below so you guys get notified every time a girl posts a new video, because you guys are not going to regret it. So I'm sitting here editing, and I sincerely apologize because in the background, you can hear the little noise in the background. I was on FaceTime, y'all, with a couple of my friends, and they didn't mute themselves, which is very inconsiderate, but it's all right. We're just gonna have to move on. We're on the road to 1K, y'all. We are literally so close. It don't even make no sense. So today, I will be doing a synthetic wig tutorial. Now, y'all, I will be doing a synthetic wig tutorial. This is a 20 inch curly synthetic wig. I will put everything in the link down below so you guys will be able to check this wig out. And yeah, we're about to go ahead and install this. This is just like a little cute thrown wig that I wanted to try, so I was like, why not go ahead and let me do it. This will kind of be like a watch process, so I'm not going to really be talking. So you guys are just going to watch me do it. So yes, let's go ahead and get started. No more talking and rambling. Just get started, money. I am completely done. This is the wig. Just gave it a little finesse. I think I'm gonna fix this edge right here because it's like not fully laid down. But yes, y'all, this is the wig. You can still see some light spots, but I think that's from the powder foundation. So once I fix that up, that'll probably be good. But other than that, y'all, this is the wig. And if y'all like the way that I like my edges are like kind of dramatic, kind of messy kind of looking. So that's why I did them like that. So I kind of like mine, you know, the messy kind of look and whatnot, and not like, you know, perfectly neat. So yeah, this is how long it is. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that bell down below so you guys get notified every time your girl posts a new video, because you guys are not going to want to regret it. Everything for this wig will be linked down below. And yeah, that's about it. We're gonna roll to 1K like I said. So y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Definitely hit that red button down below. Hit that bell down below so you guys get notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.